Back to our channel, and in today's video I'm gonna show you how you can start working with Botpress. So let's get into it. Now Botpress is an AI based chatbot, and you can build an amazing chatbot that responds to your customers day and night whenever they require. Plus with the current situation, you really need to be able to provide customers with personalized answers their questions. So even if you build an extensive knowledge base, not all customers are willing to read through everything, and they want something that is catered to them. So building a bot with Botpress can be a great way to improve the overall stats of your website. Now let's get into actually building a bot. So to get started, simply head on over to bot. So you just need to type Botpress and just click over there, and you'll be redirected to the website. As you can see, there's a simple design. Actually, they're highlighting their features, and so you can see there's products, resources, pricing, but we can start using it for free. And all you need to do, just click get started over there. Click here, and you can sign up with their GitHub, Google, Microsoft, LinkedIn. So you can just click here and sign in with something, and you need to just choose the right answers here. For example, if you're currently working, you're represented as company or myself or clients. So I'm gonna choose the second one. If you're a student, they will provide you some offer, some discounts, but if you're not, just simply click not. Also, it depends on you. For example, if you have an office, if you have, organization, you need to choose the work, but I'm gonna choose personal. So it doesn't depend. You can choose whatever. Also, which option describe, just choose the middle one. Okay, so we're building, for example, customer support, or as you can see, there is a lot of different ones. For example, let's say that we want to create an customer support, or let's say customer support. Okay, let's go with it and click skip, and that's it. It's our dashboard, or even you could say it's a workspace. So we have a workspace. Now we can just go over settings, and we can, for example, rename our name of workspace. So for example, let it be, for example, something like that. Click save. Also, you can specify your email, your website, your social accounts. You can just, simply pass here and link them to your account. And also, we can upload an image, and it'll be easy. As you can see, there's also billing, but for now, we don't need it. Actually, you can see there is a plan for you. There's two options: pay as you go, and it has a lot of features that in free version you can't access. So also there's another one. You can check it. We will check it later. You can click here, and you can see there's a community plan, team, enterprise, but the best value is the team. As you can see, there is 10 gigabytes file storage, and there's a lot of collaborations, 250,000 incoming messages and events per month. It's essential if you're working with with big clients. So let's go back to our workspace, and all you need to do is just go over there, click create bot. Okay, so our chatbot created. We need to go over there, click open in studio, and that's important. For example, if you're a beginner, I would recommend you to just click here and learn Botpress, because actually there's already existing there's a lot of different templates, different, you can just use template and it will be way more easier for you to get into it, because when you first started you need to some guidance, some like some advice, and it'll be best option for you. So just simply click use template and it will proceed. So for example, you can see there is already some, like the template. You can see there's actually a video that can help you to solve your problem actually. So it's your emulator, as you can see. It shows us, but we can delete it, and it's our emulator, and all you need to do is just type here and just check in the end. For example, also there's a menu on the left, so there's flows, agents, library, hooks, also schemas, chatbot name. Also you can just in activity timeout set repetition limit, variables, and a lot of different variables. So let's go to the hooks. Also you can use hooks, you can use your library, your agents, flows, and schemas. So now for example, let's say that you have actually an existing website. For example, just go over here, Botpress knowledge. You can see there is already something. We can also like add the new one, for example, or we can just like edit this one or delete it simply. So for example, to do that, so this is the existing one. So all you can actually click and import a document, table, web, or some the like data like directly in at txt. So we just need a website now. So for that, go over there, click website, and simply paste your website and click discover pages, for example, and it will analyze your website. As you can see, there's a lot of different ones, and just click add pages and it will like process. It takes a long, I would say, couple minutes, up to 10 minutes. So don't wait until it's done. Just let's go back to our main menu, and as you can see in our template, it all starting with this one. So also the important function, you can add a comment if you're working with your teammates or you're working with other people's. All you need to do is just like go here and add a comment, for example, something like that, so they would know what are you doing, what you did in some places. And also you can work simply, you can just extend it to be able to understand the logic of this. As you can see, there is very easy to understand. So it all starts here, and there's a node. It is going to greetings. For example, if you want to just change, click here. You can set something like that, and it's condition type. So always it says welcome, hi, and it leads you to the menu. So it's a menu. As you can see, there is capture information, there's a type of value to extract. For example, there would be any question, for example, and you can add the choices. For example, something like simple general question, like yes, no. But maybe you would add, something more complex. It depends on you. So also we can add the retries. So if you don't understand what is it, just hover like that and it will just simply explain to you what is it. So we can like choose set the numbers of retries. For example, let's 50, but I would recommend you to set it to until like maybe around that. So because in different situations our clients are just maybe having a problems, like maybe internet connection and other stuff. So let's just leave it. Okay, so now if he chooses something, it will lead him to the end. And in the end, we can, for example, add, if you want to, we can add something like, and for example, if you want to add something, you can just, like click here and you can click standard node and it will create something like that. And also you'll be able to add something like send messages. You can include image, video, audio file, or cars, even location. It's cool option actually. Also, you can use AI. For example, you can use AI generate text, AI transition, a task. And there's a lot of ways to capture the information. For example, whether it be single choice, multiple choice, confirmation, or for example, it's important to know email addresses. Also, we have the events, the agents, and a lot of different ones. For example, let's choose, maybe, like text, and just drag here, and it will be cool. So, for example, if you want to see the other things, for example, answering questions, you can just click here, click to card, and change the card. Also you can add the cards, for example, text, also another text, and you can see there's a capture information. So if you choose this, it will explain you what it's doing, and then you can add expressions or intent or a file, so it will be quick. And when you are done, you just need to go over there and click publish. So, and that's it, guys. All you need to do is just go and try to repeat step by step. You can see there's simple. You can just open the YouTube video that will just help you to to understand the logic of this Botpress. So it's essential, and nowadays you need to use bots AI to to just, it will be easier for your workers, for your business. And that's it, guys. If it was helpful, don't forget to share, leave a comment, hit the like button, and see you in the next tutorials.